Early symptoms of parasites in your body you should be aware of. Remedies to kill parasites. One of the banes of human health is sickness, and there are many reasons why humans fall sick. It could be due to insufficient nutrients in the body, the presence of a harmful organism, or even stress. In this video, we will touch on one of the popular reasons you may fall sick: parasites. Parasites are organisms that feed off the nutrients in the human body, thereby reducing the number of nutrients available for the human body to use. Also, some parasites spread diseases. Thus, it is essential to know these parasites, understand the early symptoms that herald their presence, and know the different ways of killing them. Types of parasites. There are three major types of parasites that affect the human body. These parasites have different physical qualities. For instance, some parasites, such as malaria parasites, are invisible to the human eye, while you can see worm parasites. The three types of parasites include helminths, parasitic worms usually found in the human digestive tract. These parasites cannot reproduce or multiply within the body, so they are passed out through feces when they die. An example of the helminths parasite is the hookworm. The second type of parasite is known as protozoa. This parasite has a single cell and can quickly multiply within the human body. In most cases, this class of parasites gets into the human body through contaminated food and water. They also get into the body through contact with a person that already has the parasite and through insect bites. Examples of these parasites are Cryptosporidium and Plasmodium malaria. The third type of parasite is called ectoparasites. Unlike other types of parasites, the ectoparasite lives on the outer part of the body. Examples include ticks, fleas, and lice. Early symptoms of parasites. As there are varying types of parasites, so are the symptoms of these parasites. Some of these symptoms may resemble those of other diseases and medical conditions. The following are some of the symptoms that show that you have parasites in your body. Weight loss and increased appetite. This is one of the common signs that you have parasites in your body. You may start to notice severe weight loss that doesn't match your eating habit. Most times your appetite even increases while the weight remains reduced. The reason for this symptom is that the parasitic worm in the body is feeding on the nutrients from the food you eat. Therefore, these nutrients go directly to the parasite rather than benefit the body. This is usually very common with helminths, as they are rooted in their host's digestive tract. It is vital to state that other medical conditions share this symptom, thus, you should see a doctor to confirm whether you have parasites in your body. Skin bumps or rashes. In most cases, when you have ectoparasites on your body, you may get rashes on skin bumps on the area of your skin where these parasites are rooted. Abdominal pain. This is another common sign that you may have parasitic worms in the gut or digestive tract. This pain occurs in the area between the chest and the pelvis. Most times, this pain resolves itself. However, it could also stay for long periods. Again, this symptom is also prevalent for other medical conditions, so it is wrong to assume that you have parasites in your body just from abdominal pain. You need to see a doctor to confirm your fears. Vomiting and diarrhea. Separately, both of these symptoms point to different medical problems. However, you probably have parasites in your digestive tract when they occur simultaneously. Anemia. Anemia is when the number of red blood cells in the body decreases. This means that the body cannot transport oxygen to important parts of the body, which may trigger other medical issues. While there are several causes of anemia, the presence of parasites in the body could also be the reason why the body is short of red blood cells. Fever. Fever is a common symptom. It occurs when the temperature of the human body rises above the normal range of 36 to 37 degrees Celsius or 98 to 100 degrees Fahrenheit. In most cases, a fever is a symptom of an infection. When the human body is infected, the body launches an attack on the cause of the infection, and this causes a rise in body temperature. However, an increased body temperature could also signal the presence of a parasite. Parasites like the Plasmodium malariae, responsible for malaria, cause fever when it gets to the body. General feeling of weakness and unwell. If you are feeling weak and unwell for no particular reason, there is a chance that you have parasites in your body. This weakness could be in specific parts or all over the body, and it usually occurs even if you have not done any strenuous activity. This symptom, when related to the presence of parasites, could be because the parasite is taking all of the body's nutrients. This means the body is left with little or no nutrients to run bodily activities, hence the weakness. How to test for parasites. We have mentioned that regardless of the symptoms you see, you need to see a doctor to confirm whether or not you have parasites in your body. The following are some of the ways the doctor tests for the presence of parasites in the body. Fecal exam. This test is done to examine the feces. About 3 stool samples of the patient are collected on different days and tested for the presence of parasites or parasite eggs. This test is usually done when the patient complains of symptoms such as abdominal pain, diarrhea, and passing of gas. Endoscopy. This test is carried out when the fecal exams don't show any result. To carry out this test, a long thin tube is inserted into the intestine through the mouth to check for the presence of parasites. Other types of tests used to test for the presence of parasites include colonoscopy imaging tests and blood tests. Remedies for parasites. If you have confirmed through any of the tests mentioned above that you have parasites in your body, the doctor will provide you with certain treatment and remedial options. The medication used to kill parasites depends on the type of parasites that are present in your body. The following are some of the medications that you would use to treat parasites. Metronidazole. This medication is a type of antibiotic that kills parasites present in the reproductive system or digestive tract of the human body. This medication is also known as Flagyl, which is used to kill parasites such as Giardiasis, Amoebiasis, and Trichomoniasis. Ivermectin. This is another type of medication that treats the parasitic worms present in the gastrointestinal tract. It also kills parasites on the skin, in the eyes, and in other parts of the body. The medication is present in oral tablets, lotion, and cream. Pyrimethamine. In some scenarios, pyrimethamine and sulfadiazine are combined to kill parasites that exhibit flu-like symptoms. Praziquantel, or Biltricide. This medication is used to kill tapeworms. It works by paralyzing and dissolving tapeworms so that they are detached from the intestinal wall and removed through the excretory system. Alternative remedies. Apart from the use of drugs and medications, you can also kill parasites in the body through safe alternative means. One of the alternative means includes the use of nutrition and supplement. The following nutritional tips can help the body fight off parasites lodged in the body. You should stop eating simple carbohydrates. These carbohydrates are found in juices, refined foods, and all types of sugar except honey and dairy products. You should increase the consumption of pumpkin seeds, beets, pomegranates, raw garlic, and carrots. All of these food items contain nutrients that kill parasites naturally. You should also increase your water intake to flush out your system. Fibers can help you rid of worms, so you should increase your intake of food with fiber. You should also take papaya. The papaya plant contains an enzyme known as papain. Papain is a digestive enzyme with the ability to kill parasitic worms as long as it is taken 30 minutes before or after food. Other digestive enzymes also help to keep the digestive system balanced, which makes it inhabitable for parasitic worms. However, papain could cause bleeding in people with blood clotting disorder or people who are taking blood-thinning medications. Thus, it is safer to talk to your doctor before using the papaya plant to induce the activation of the papain enzyme. You can also use zinc and vitamin C to boost your immune system as it fights against the action of the parasites. This brings us to the end of the video. We hope you've learned a thing or two about parasites, their symptoms, and how to kill them. Please remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on post notifications so you don't miss out on other videos.